Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why you might not be seeing people's status updates on WhatsApp. This can be a common and sometimes frustrating issue, but there are several straightforward reasons why it might be happening. Often, it's as simple as not having each other's contact information saved correctly, or perhaps the other person has adjusted their privacy settings. We'll go through these possibilities and more, helping you understand and resolve the problem. One of the primary reasons you might not see a status is due to privacy settings. WhatsApp gives users robust control over who views their updates. They can choose to share with all their contacts, exclude specific people, or only share with a select few. If your contact has adjusted these settings to exclude you, or if you're not on their approved list, their status simply won't appear for you. It's a key feature designed for user control. Sometimes, the issue isn't about privacy, but rather technical. A weak or unstable internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or mobile data, can prevent status updates from loading properly. Furthermore, an outdated WhatsApp application can cause various display problems. Always ensure your app is updated to the latest version available in your App Store. Occasionally, clearing the app's cache, which stores temporary data, can also resolve minor glitches and help statuses appear correctly. To wrap up, always double-check that both you and your contact have each other's phone numbers saved accurately in your respective address books. Politely ask your contact to review their status privacy settings to ensure you haven't been inadvertently excluded. A simple phone restart can often resolve many temporary software issues. If you've tried everything else, and after backing up your chats, reinstalling WhatsApp can sometimes fix persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.